Hey, Steve Wiedemann here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some basic things you'll want to update or change or modify on your new website created with Business Blog Installer. So as you can see, this is a default installation on a domain I created called mycoolservice.com. This is exactly how you'll see it after you've signed up for the program. One of the first things you'll want to do before you even log into the site itself, if you haven't done this yet, is set up a Google Analytics account. Go to google.com/analytics. When you get there, to sign up for a new account, it's going to ask you some basic information. I'm going to go ahead and paste my domain name in here. We're going to choose Pacific time, and we're going to click on Continue. Last name, Wiedemann Steve, United States, or wherever you are in the world. Accept the terms of service. Yes, I agree. And now it gives you a snippet of code that you can use. All we really need is this UA code here. Go ahead and copy this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to log into our new website. Do a /WP admin. Let me log out so you can see what you'll see when you log in. You'll see a screen that looks like this. Go ahead and click on Login. The first thing you'll see here, if you haven't already set up your Google Analytics when you sign up for the account, is click this link that says select which analytics profile to track. And make sure that the manually enter your UA code is checked. And then we're going to go ahead and paste that UA code in. For now, let's go ahead and leave everything as default and update. And now we have Google Analytics tracking in place. So another thing that you're going to want to do, I'm going to go ahead and right click on the title up here and open in a new tab. You can use whatever web browser you want to edit your website in. So here's the current website, and what you'll notice is that we've created this great little contact us form. And we just created some random address information, chat with us live, send us a note, and there's this really cool form right here that basically your visitor will fill out. And this could be your request a quote. For now, you can leave it as just contact us, however you want to do it. And then what you want to do from here is make sure that when somebody completes this form, that it goes to a page that you can track as a lead in your Google Analytics. So you're not just tracking how many people went to your website, but actually tracking leads as well. So if you were to navigate over to Pages over here on the left navigation here, you'll see that we've created a page already for you called Thank You. You can edit this page and change what's said to your visitor after they've completed a form. For now, we just want to make sure that the URL is what we want. So here's what we have is /thank you as the confirmation page. So let's go back into our Google Analytics. Now that we've set this up, we can click on Save and Finish. Now navigate over to the right and click on Edit. And there's a link up here that says Check Status. Select that. And you'll see a message here that says Analytics has been successfully installed and data is being gathered now. So we've successfully set up our Google Analytics, but now there's something else we have to do. We have to add our goal. So let's scroll down to this page again. Click on Add Goal. This is going to be Contact Forms Completed. Active goal is on. The URL destination is what we're going to select. Under goal URL, just go ahead and paste in /thank you. You don't need your whole domain. You just need the /thank you. Click on Save Goal, and that's it. Going forward now, anytime you'd like to track your Google Analytics to see how well things are performing, simply log into your Google Analytics account, click on Traffic Sources. I like to use all traffic sources at a high level. It tells me everything that's going on, and then I click on Goal Set 1, and it'll tell me what percentage I'm converting. Now your conversion rate should be between 3 and 5%. If it's not, definitely give us a call or talk to another design company to help you build out a theme that's really going to convert well for you. Your goal is to get as high a conversion rate as you possibly can. Every year, year after year, your conversion rate should be growing and increasing by changing the quality of the content on your website. So that is how you set up the Google Analytics. So let's go back through and let's change some other stuff on the website here. Let's say, for example, you want to change this thank you page. You can navigate straight to the thank you page and you'll see a link that says edit this entry, or you can go back into the admin, or you see a link at the top that says edit page. You could use that as well. Click on pages, and underneath thank you, you can click on edit. Either way, you'll get to the same page. And here is where you can change this context. So what you see here is you see thank you see the URL. It's already structured and everything for you. All you have to do is put in your thank you message. Hey, thanks for contacting us. We'll be in touch shortly. Now we don't want this page displayed to the search engines. So one thing that we have to do on this page is go into our settings here. Under Advanced WordPress SEO by WordPress, under Advanced tab, select No Index because we do not want this page indexed. We also want to, if it's here, oh, looks like we're good to go on here. So now all we have to do is just click on Update. Now this page won't show up in the search results. If Google happened to crawl through or someone linked to this page, we wouldn't have to worry about our analytics being skewed by our link showing up somewhere on our website or somewhere on the internet. This basically takes the search engines out of the picture. So any other pages that you'd like to change on here, let's go to another page. Let's go to Custom Widget Services. Well, let's just say my cool service isn't widget services. Let's go back to pages over here on the left. And Custom Widget Services. I'm going to change this to Cool Services. That'll work. You can leave the permalink structure the same, or you can change it to cool-services. Either way will work fine for you. And then let's go ahead and change this content. You can go into the Visual tab here, and you can put a new picture in. Simply going up to Add an Image. You can take this out and remove the image or delete the image. You can change the context. Anything you want. Let's just make sure that after you finish this content, oh, by the way, to add one of these cool little links, all you have to do is click on this cool little link button right here at the top, and that will allow you to add or remove or change a link really easily. But we do want to make sure that on these pages that we use great descriptive titles, descriptions, and keywords that best define this page. So you can see this is what would show up in Google search results. If you just put in cool services, it's very explicit and Google is going to think you're trying to spam. So we want to put a call to action in there, such as buy, get, find, order. And we also want to put in, if there's a geography we service, the geography, and some type of a call to action that shows that we're really the best at what we do. Value proposition, so that we're really in the industry the best at what we offer. And same thing with meta description. Try to get this as filled out as you possibly can. Try not to go over that 156 character, 160 character limit if you can. When you're ready, click on Update, and now you've updated the page. So now, where we have cool custom widget services, now it's cool services. It's that easy. Some other things that you might want to change in here are the logo, and I'll do that in a separate video, as well as maybe some of the content on the homepage. There are some other videos you can watch in the training series that will take you through each individual, how to create a cool button. For that one, it's pretty simple. Just go out to performable.com/buttons. Performable.com/buttons. You can create all sorts of really cool, nifty looking buttons. Really cool stuff. And for same thing for doing the banner at the top of the page. You can use Photoshop, you can go to a graphic designer, you can call the guys at Pemble, whatever you'd like to do. But you definitely want to get that banner at the top changed over to your name. Or if you don't want to use a banner at the moment, just use some text. That's fine. You can go into this page and remove it. It's a page like anything else. And you notice that we have the links over here on the side. If we go over to Widget Design Services, this gives you an example once you're logged in here of what could be on this page. So Widget Design Services is a page that defines basically what this company offers. If it's cool, design services, whatever it is, this page will define it. So here we have the keyword is Widget Design Services. Here's the landing page. Does it match? Yes. Right? Did we do a good job with optimizing our title and description in H1? Well, if we are targeting the keyword Widget Design Services, then yes. 450 words, that'll put you to work for an hour or so to make sure that you've got a really good, well-written page. Video, if you can afford it, get a video added to this page. There's several tools you can use. Images, same thing. If you can get an image on there, it provides a better user experience, and then you might want to track your rank. So this kind of gives you an idea of what you might want to do in Microsoft Excel or what have you. So on this page, just kind of gives you an example. You'll also see some links to some subpages. One of which is, hey, we service Buffalo, and one is we service Tonawanda. Tonawanda, I think that's how you pronounce it. And so you basically want to create a page around every keyword or keyword theme that you'd like to rank for. Pretty cool. If you ever get stuck, or if you're just, it's painful going through all of this work, please don't hesitate. Hit the eject button, go to Pemble SEO, and these guys can help you out. That's what they're there for. So this is Steve Wiedemann, and a basic tutorial of how you change content on your new WordPress website. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to use our ticket system to ask any questions that you might have.